My name is James Barham.
And I'm Roxanne Martinez.
And I'm Helen Fleck. We're kinesiology students
at Texas A&M San Antonio.
And today we'll be demonstrating how to perform a forestry step test.
The forestry step test is a 5-minute submaximal assessment of cardiorespiratory fitness. This test is important because higher levels of physical activity and cardiorespiratory fitness are associated with reduced risk of chronic disease. Before we begin, you're going to need a few things. You'll need paper and a pencil to record your data. You'll need a stopwatch, a metronome to keep tempo, and don't worry if you don't have one of these lying around. You can use your phone because there's an app for that. And you'll need something sturdy to step on that's 33 centimeters or 13 inches high for women, or something 40 centimeters or 16 inches high for men. If you have access to a gym, you may have seen these aerobic steppers lying around. They are a wonderful tool to use because they are both sturdy and adjustable. You can stack or remove risers to reach your desired height. However, if you don't have access to a gym, don't worry. A common step stool will work for our purposes. There's just one more thing you need to know, which is how to take your pulse. To find your radial pulse, turn your palm face up and place your pointer and index finger on the thumb side of your wrist. Press lightly until you feel your pulse. To take your carotid pulse, we'll be using the flat part, not the tip, of the index and middle finger. Place them just below the jawline on the side of the neck and feel for the carotid artery. Some protocols call for the use of a heart rate monitor. We'll be demoing a polar heart rate monitor. A polar heart rate monitor consists of a chest strap and a watch. First, place the watch on your wrist. Then, place the chest strap right under the pectoral muscles. In women, this will go right under the edge of the sports bra. Now it's time to practice. Place one foot onto the stool, then step up with your second foot. Now step down and follow with the other foot. If at any point you feel uncomfortable or unstable, go ahead and put your step close to a wall. Use the wall for support while stepping. Don't forget to practice up to tempo. Set your metronome to 90 beats per minute and continue to practice until you feel comfortable at that pace. This practice period will also count as your warm-up. Now we're ready to begin the test. Keep your metronome set to 90 beats per minute and get your stopwatch ready. As soon as you start the stopwatch, begin stepping and continue for 5 minutes. Keep the stopwatch running. Once you reach the 5-minute mark, go ahead and sit down and wait for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, go ahead and take your pulse. Once you have your pulse rate for 15 seconds, write this number down. Using your 15-second pulse and your body weight, you can use this chart to help determine your estimated VO2 max. The first chart is for men and the second chart is for women. Once you have your estimated VO2 max, you can look at this third chart to show your estimated fitness category.